This is going to be off of 5th Avenue North. The time and date stamps on the top left, the counters on the bottom. I am on the garage apartment. That's going to be on the backhand side of the house. This is the main 4-inch vent stack that I've gone through. And likely this exits the house almost immediately and ties into the main line running out. So I'm going to go ahead and verify that. The pipe underneath the house is going to be cast iron. Looks to be about 4 inches of diameter. And we're going down to a drop. And changes to PVC, so they've replaced this part of the line. I do see a cleanout that's on the ground on the backhand side of the house. That is very close to the alley. There we go. So this is already in the PVC section, so it's safe to say that everything is good from this point forward. I cannot push the camera any further just because of the bends that it naturally takes. So I'm going to go ahead and pull back. We're going to inspect the line as we come back. It's not holding any water, so it looks good. Okay, so this is the PVC pipe that they've actually already replaced from this point further, where there is a clean out. I've located this. This is in if you're staring at the front of the house, it's on the left hand side. We're going to go ahead and pull back to where the orangeburg starts, and then map that out as well. The cast iron here at this place looks amazing. It's just the only thing to be concerned about is this orangeburg. Obviously you see roots in it. It's just about time, and it will be a matter of time until it just gets worse. You know, clearly you can see the roots that were growing in it, the deformity of the shape. of the pipe itself. Even though right now it can handle water no problem, but it's just a ticking time bomb. Can't really project how long it would last. So a good section of this is going to be Orangeburg, but I am going to map it out 100%. So here is a transition of Orangeburg to cast. I'm going to go ahead and mark this out as well. Okay, so this is the end of the the start of the Orangeburg that goes back to cast iron. You can see the flushable wipes in the house. So as long as the house and any pipes in general, no matter how new it is, we like to recommend staying away from any of the flushable wipes. It's Charmin, Angel Soft, and Continental. All those brands are big no-nos. But this will conclude the video. Thanks for watching.